Guys, I think that is a 9. The draggy showed a 10:03, and let's go get that time slip. I know it's dark in here, but man, whew, if that wasn't a 9, then it was very close. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today's video is super exciting because we are going back to the track and we're going to test out just how much of a difference weight reduction makes on these cars. We did remove about 100 pounds out of this car from the rear mufflers and interior seats, and we're also going to be trying a couple other things. Hopefully we can do more than just 2 or 3 runs, because we will be turning up the nitrous to a 150 shot, guys. I already did a couple little tests on the street a couple days ago to ensure that my fueling and everything was correct. Sent the logs over to Brett over at Prey Performance, and he gave me the thumbs up to go ahead and get this car down the track as fast as we can get it. So we're going to try a few things, from the start spraying RPM and ramping in the 150 shots so that we get a smooth power delivery and also help us with not spinning the tires. And we're hopefully going to bring down that 60-foot time quite a bit. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. I've got a few of my cousins coming along with me. One of them who just bought a C7 Corvette, which he has a lot of plans for, and probably going to see that car here on the channel while we do a few things. But you guys already know we've got the car ready to go, and a lot of you guys in the comments mentioned that removing the rear muffler was going to cause some extra drag, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to kind of reduce that and not have this rear diffuser's middle section acting like a parachute. If you guys kind of see under here, that's right, I have basically installed a aluminum piece of sheet metal bolted right onto the diffuser and the top end back there with the stock factory bolts, and this basically has now covered the cavity of this middle section that a lot of people just end up cutting out or doing stuff to prevent that air brake, and will be guiding the air down under that diffuser. Along with, I was able to bend up and close up this cavity even more on both ends. And of course, with my exhaust, you guys can see, you can't even tell that sheet metal aluminum piece is there unless you really dig and get under here. So when you look at the back end of this car, guys, it looks pretty much factory stock. You can't really see much, and I think it came out great. So what do y'all think of this one? Shit, bone stock, right? Shit. So what are you gonna do? The headers, all the intake stuff.
MSD.
Hell yeah.
Throttle body.
Shit, this thing's
saying that he says that he's seen these go mid to high 10s just with bolt-ons. But
I was just gonna say. All right, we are at the track. Just pulled up to the lanes. Got the car cooling down. We're about 40 minutes a little early, but that gives us time to cool this car down and hopefully get everything set up right. Now, it's very windy, so I apologize for the wind noise. But first pass, we're just gonna go ahead and go for it, guys. That's what we're here for. We're gonna go ahead and do a 150 shot off the gate, and we're gonna be spraying 25 RPM. 50% of it, progressing it to 100% over 1 second, and we'll see how that works if the car likes it. All right, guys, we're going up against the Hellcat. We'll see how this goes with the 150 shot. Nitrous is armed. Nitrous is purged. might have been the best run yet. Guys, that felt really good. Definitely the fastest time we've gotten yet. And it is balls hot outside. This is insane. Let's go get the time slip. The draggy is saying a 10.10. All right, guys, we're gonna go check how much this car weighs on the scales. And there you have it, 36.15. 36.15. I weigh about 200 pounds, so this is about 38.20 with me in it. Now let's go get in line and show you guys this time slip. Check it out, guys. Right there, our new personal best, a 10.09 at 137 miles an hour. Yes! Best 60 foot ever by a long shot, 1.59. We're in the fives now. And a 6.5 at 111 miles an hour in the 8. All right, guys, so first one was freaking insane. Car did really good. The data log unfortunately didn't record all the data points for some reason, so I got to make sure it does that this next round. But we are about to do our second run, and we're so close to that 9-second pass. So what we're gonna do is actually start the spraying from 2400 RPM and the ramp, and we're gonna close the ramp in time from 1 second to 0.7 seconds. That should get us our 60 foot better and hopefully get us into the 9s. And hopefully by the time we run this second pass, the weather will be a little bit better. But yeah, guys, very excited. This is, I got a 10.0 car. That's insane at 137. All right, guys. We're up next. We're gonna be running the single cab Chevy, which if you are from Texas, you'll know that trucks can be very deceiving. This thing's got a super wide tire, so it's probably gonna beat us, but it's okay because we're chasing 9. Something felt weird, but let's go see. We'll see that in the logs. Guys, all kinds of things went wrong on that one. The draggy cut up. I couldn't get a burnout done. It was locking up the burnouts. Like, it wouldn't like lock in for some reason. And I mean, the spray was good, but something just was not right with that run. And I'm sure we're gonna see it with the time slips. There we have it, guys. A 10.16 at 136.6. A little bit slower 60 foot time. I think we can get that better. I didn't do my launch trick that Prey has taught me, so that's why that's where it's at. It's probably could have been a little bit better. All right, guys, so it's 10.1, it's basically around there, same thing. Now we're gonna try one more time. The track seems to be prepped really well, so it's hooking, it's doing well with the 50% off the line. We're spraying it at 2400 RPM. We're gonna bring that down to 2300 RPM, keep the same 0.7 second delay, and see if that'll get us where we need to get. And hopefully the car runs good and we can see a 9-second pass. If not, then at least we know we're very, very close. Hellcat on Hellcat crime. There's a lot of Hellcats out here. Yeah. 1069, 131 and 133. Yeah. 6.2 Silverado 4x4 all-wheel drive against an F-150. Sounds like a 5.0. Definitely 5.0. Yeah. Oh, he let off the gas. Why did he let off? Something broke or what? No, you guys. Damn. Hey, 14.1 and 98 for the Chevy Bone stock. Alright, we got a pro-charged boosted vet on one side, and we've got a bolt-ons C7 on this side. Oh, 11.2, 125, 123. Robert, you gonna do your headers and bolt-ons, boy? All right, we're gonna do the third and final run. Hopefully get that 9, guys. All right, looks like we're gonna be racing one of these Fox bodies. We'll see how it goes. Got the nitrous purged. Let's go, baby. I think that's a 9. I think that's a 9. Woo! I think that's a 9, guys. Woo! Guys, I think that is a 9. The draggy showed a 10.03, and let's go get that time slip. I know it's dark in here, but man, woo! If that wasn't a 9, then it was very close. Oh my goodness, guys. So close. 10.01 at 138.43 miles an hour, a 1.56 60 foot. There it is, guys. So damn close to a 9-second pass. 1.56 60 foot. A 10.01 at 138.5 miles an hour. Well, the chase for 9s continue, but man, that was awesome. The car did really well. I think I can definitely easily get to the 9s with a little bit more RPM and ramp in adjustments. But man, that is awesome. 2000 DA with just the seats and the rear muffler removed, but of course the big bottle and fuel cell kind of take up some of that removed weight, and the car is 3,800 pounds with me in it. That is awesome. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. The Camaro did amazingly well. Again, it weighed 3,800 pounds. We removed some weight, but we added the nitrous bottle and the fuel, and it did have 3/4 of a tank in the tank, so it was definitely a little heavier than it could have been. So if we would have had the gas tank down lower, we probably could have gotten that 9-second pass, but that'll have to wait until the next time we come back to the track. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.